Divorce lawyer in Orlando. The importance of choosing the right representation going through a divorce can be a difficult and challenging experience, both emotionally and legally. With so much at stake, it is important to have the right support and guidance throughout the process. If you are in the process of getting a divorce, choosing the right divorce lawyer in Orlando, Florida can make all the difference. In this article, we will discuss the importance of hiring a divorce lawyer in Orlando and what to look for when choosing a divorce lawyer in Orlando. Orlando, Florida divorce process overview. What are the Florida divorce grounds? No-fault divorce is legal in Florida. This implies that neither partner must assign guilt for the breakdown of the marriage to the other. Instead, irretrievably shattered marriages are the main reason for getting a divorce. Simply put, it means that you can file for divorce by informing the court that things didn't work out after all. It's crucial to keep in mind that you can also file for divorce if one spouse has suffered from mental incapacity for at least 3 years. How do I meet Orlando's requirements for divorce? You, or your spouse, must meet specific residency requirements in order to apply for divorce. Specifically, before submitting your petition, one of you had to have lived in Florida for at least 6 months. Your divorce petition must be submitted in the county where you now reside. It would be submitted to the Orange County Clerk of Courts if you reside in Orlando. An accomplished lawyer can help you with this. Does Florida have a waiting period before divorce? According to Florida law, a court must wait at least 20 days after the underlying petition is filed before making a final ruling regarding a divorce. This waiting time makes sure that a couple is truly ready to end their marriage and isn't doing so out of short-term resentment or conflict. If there are mitigating circumstances, such as abuse, the court may issue a divorce before the waiting time expires. In actuality, only a small percentage of divorces are settled in 20 days. The majority of divorces will take substantially longer, especially those with children and/or complicated property division. Why should you hire a divorce lawyer in Orlando? Many people believe that they can handle their own divorce without the help of a lawyer. While it is possible to file for divorce without representation, it is not recommended. A divorce lawyer can provide valuable support and guidance throughout the process, helping you to navigate the legal system and make informed decisions that are in your best interests. A divorce lawyer in Orlando can help with the following tasks: filing divorce papers and representing you in court, negotiating the terms of a divorce settlement, providing advice on how to divide property and assets fairly, protecting your rights and interests throughout the divorce process, representing you in any related court proceedings, such as child custody or alimony hearings. Additionally, a divorce lawyer in Orlando can provide you with emotional support and guidance throughout the process. They can help you understand your rights and options, and ensure that you are making informed decisions that are in your best interests. What to look for when choosing a divorce lawyer in Orlando? With so many divorce lawyers in Orlando, it can be difficult to know where to start. When choosing a divorce lawyer in Orlando, it is important to consider the following factors: experience. Look for a lawyer who has experience handling divorce cases in Orlando, and has a track record of success. Specialization. Some divorce lawyers specialize in specific areas of divorce law, such as property division or child custody. Make sure to choose a divorce lawyer who is experienced in the specific issues that are relevant to your case. Communication. Look for a lawyer who is easy to communicate with and who you feel comfortable talking to. You should be able to discuss your case openly and honestly with your lawyer, and receive clear, straightforward answers to your questions. Cost. Consider the lawyer's fee structure and make sure you understand how much you will be charged for their services. It is also important to research and interview different divorce lawyers before making a decision. This will give you the opportunity to ask questions, discuss your case, and get a sense of the lawyer's experience and approach. What to look for when choosing a divorce lawyer in Orlando. With so many divorce lawyers in Orlando, it can be difficult to know where to start. When choosing a divorce lawyer in Orlando, it is important to consider the following factors. It is also important to research and interview different divorce lawyers before making a decision. This will give you the opportunity to ask questions, discuss your case, and get a sense of the lawyer's experience and approach. Conclusion. In conclusion, finding the right divorce lawyer in Orlando is essential to the success of your case. Take the time to research and interview different lawyers, and choose the one who best meets your needs and who you feel comfortable working with. With the right representation, you can ensure that your rights are protected and that you receive a fair outcome in your divorce. Heath Center can